Step inside. Stephen Curry's lavish $31 million mansions. Welcome to our exclusive tour of Stephen Curry's breathtaking $31 million mansions, where luxury meets innovation in the heart of California. Today, we'll explore how this NBA superstar lives off the court. As we step inside the grand entrance, notice the custom floor made from imported Italian marble, setting the tone for opulence and comfort. The living room, spacious and elegantly designed, features panoramic windows that offer an unparalleled view of the city skyline. Next, the kitchen, a chef's dream, equipped with state-of-the-art appliances and a sleek, modern design perfect for family gatherings or a quiet night in. Moving on, the home theater stands out with its plush seating and advanced sound system, ideal for watching games and movies in style. Curry's personal gym features high-end equipment and his own line of fitness products, reflecting his dedication to staying at the top of his game. The outdoor area includes a serene infinity pool and a basketball court with the same wood used in NBA arenas. Upstairs, the master suite boasts a fireplace and a private balcony that offers stunning views of the surrounding landscape. The mansion also hosts a collection of memorabilia from Curry's career, including signed jerseys and exclusive sneakers. For the environmentally conscious, the house is equipped with solar panels and a rainwater harvesting system. Thank you for joining this tour of Stephen Curry's incredible mansion. Stay tuned for more celebrity home exclusives.